The Charitable Profile widget provides you with a form that lets you edit your profile information. This widget has a by default layout set by the system, but you can change its appearance with the Style tab. There are a bunch of sections to the customization, each part of the form by color, border, padding, and typography. Just see for yourself, they are quite similar and you can do it yourself without narrating me. That's it. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching.